Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. So as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So let me do it. Your device will immediately ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on yes to confirm. And the Turkish language has been immediately applied to the top of the list here and also here. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added right here, you can quickly change them by a simple reorder. So you can tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position, or you can simply tap on it and your device will ask you whether you want to do it. So just tap on confirm it by tapping on this red option. And now we've got English set. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit. And here we have to tap on this minus icon. Let's go back. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.